Greetings and welcome back, carnivores, to Carnivore Confidential. I'm Dougie the Butcher. Today I'm making sausages, and I'm going to cheat and use a kit that I got from PS Seasonings. German sausages we're going to make today. I've got some pork shoulder. We're going to grind it, we're going to mix it, we're going to stuff it, and we might even keep a little bit left over to make a bacon weave sort of sausage roll thing. And that'll be for another video. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and come on, let's go upstairs and get busy. Welcome back, carnivores. Like I said, I've got a couple of pork shoulders, bone in. I've got to take the bones out of them, and I've got a piece of pork belly as well. My grand total, as far as weight is concerned, is 4.148, almost 10. About with this included, about 20 pounds. And the box of mix makes 25 pounds, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of math in order to, so they're not too salty like the last time. Anyway, let's get busy. Glove up and start getting this ready for the grinder. All right, here we go. Still a little bit frozen in the center, which is fine for what we need to get done today. I'm going to make slices that are easy to go into the throat of my grinder. And the fact that it's still partially frozen in the center here is a good thing. And obviously I have to fast forward through the tediousness of this. That was the boneless side. The bone inside is right here. There's a wee bit of bone to take out. Use the right tool for the right job. And you've seen me do this before, so we will fast forward through this as well. And this bone takes a turn up this way and over just beneath the skin to form that 7 shape. And this is a little bit more challenging today because it's partially frozen. But there we go. 7 bone. 7 bone because you can see it sort of forms the shape of a 7. Anyway, all right. I think those will probably adequately go down the neck of the machine. Nice lean pork butt. Great for sausages. There's a nice pork steak right there. Pork shoulder steak. Great for the crock pot. Smother it in mushroom soup for 3 or 4 hours. Come back and serve it on mashed potatoes or rice. Now this piece of belly has a skin on it, which I don't want to grind, of course, so I'm going to take it off. and off. Save that for chicharrones. All right, pardon me. That is a wrap on slicing. Now I'm just going to get rid of this, and I will be right back, and we'll start grinding. Stay hungry, folks. All right, welcome back. I, as you can see, have a German-style sausage-making kit. I'm cheating today using another kit, but I like these guys. It's from PS Seasonings over in Wisconsin. I've also got my grinder head fresh out of the freezer. Remember, you want it to be really, really cold. The colder, the better. And my little plunger to get the show on the road. So, without further ado, let's get started. Now, as before, this is loud and it takes a long time, so I'm going to show you a little bit of it. Fast forward to the end, okay? Here we go. All right, so my little meat grinder did an amazing job. It's very slow, but pardon me, it did do an amazing job. Now we're just going to mix this up by hand a little bit. I'm not going to put it through the grinder twice because that just takes too long. So we're just going to smash it around here by hand a little bit. Add our seasonings and some water. Get it ready for the stuffer. All right, here we go. A little nervous because the last time I did this, I misread the package instructions and put in too much seasoning for the amount of meat that I had. Pardon me. But this time I believe I've got it correct, because I have almost 20-ish pounds of meat, and almost that entire box of seasoning went into it, with a little bit left over because, like I said, it makes 25 pounds of sausage, and I've got about 20 pounds here, so I think this time we're good to go. Gently mix, and of course I'll fast forward through the majority of this and bring you back when we're ready to stuff. Now, the recipe didn't call for adding water, but I just find it makes it a whole lot easier to help mix if you do so. And a little water doesn't hurt. I would say that is mixed. And I'm back. My handy dandy, nice new sausage stuffer. Don't step on my microphone cable. Still good to go. Okay, we got to wind this out. all the way. Tip this out. Pardon me. Sausage horn. What did I say? Five pounds, I believe, fits in here. So we're going to be doing this probably 5 times or more. Got to get some casings ready. These things are always a bit of a bird's nest. Of course, they seem to be tied in a knot, which doesn't help. There we go. Now, these haven't been soaking for very long, and it helps to put some water in them in order to get them started on the horn. The trick is finding the opening, like so. And trying to get some water inside. All right, nearing the end of this. Gosh, I went to turn the camera on and I just came to the end of it. So that's the end of that, folks. There's a bit more of a struggle than it should have been, just simply because I should have gone to the garage and gotten a clamp for my my machine so it wasn't tipping all over the place when I was trying to crank it down. Anyway, as you can see, German style sausage kit. Got 20 pounds of bratwurst. I'm gonna link, freeze, and probably give the majority of it away. Anyway, hope you like what you see, folks. This is a bit of a labor of love for me. I upload a new video every Thursday at 6 o'clock, and so I appreciate you coming by. Please like, share, and subscribe to my new channel, and I'll see you, all of you, next Thursday for another video at 6 o'clock. Stay hungry, you guys. Take care.